Hello everyone. So my name is Kamlesh, and today we will look into another homogeneous data structure, that is arrays. Arrays are again n-dimensional arrangement. It contains elements of similar class only. So in an array, you will not find different elements of like characters, numbers together. It will either be characters only or numbers only. So when we say it is an n-dimensional arrangement, you can have you can just consider them to be like different sheets of papers. So in this one, you can consider them something like class 1, class 2, class 3. So we will look into a specific example where we will also look into how we store values for this. So just consider that class 1 is something where you store the value student wise marks for physics, chemistry and maths, and the same for class 2 and then for class 3. And we will look into how this n dimensional arrangement actually works in R programming. So let's go to our let's go to our R programming interface. So here, like what we will do, we will just construct data for class 1. So like as I said, we will store values for physics, chemistry and maths for class 1, and then we end up storing the values for class 1 student marks. So we just C bind. When I say C bind, it is same. So let me show you again. So I am just column binding physics, chemistry, and maths. So that's what I'll do. I will just column bind this. Then I go down. Same I do for class 2. I just take values for physics, chemistry, and maths. Then I again C bind it and I press Control Enter for it. And the class 2 student marks are also ready. Now when I have to construct the final array, that means the one array in which the student marks for both class 1 and class 2 are available, I just need to put in the dimensions of how it will be stored. So right now, because there are only two class of students, so this is not three classes, there is only two classes like class 1 and 2 that I have stored. I will keep the first one would be the row number. Like, there are three rows of data, there are three columns of data, and there are like two sheets. So we just, we complete that writing, and then we use array as a function which stores the data in an array shape. And then I select this and I press Control Enter, and it saves my data in student dot marks. Now what I do is I will view the data. So I would like to see the structure of data. So if you look in here, I have a student dot marks. Okay, why is that not available? So let me do one thing. I will just view this and I will do student dot marks, and I will try to view this. Okay, so what it says that your student dot marks is a 3 column by 3 row into two sheets of data, and these are basically the values that I have saved here. So that's how we create a simple array, and student dot marks is just an example which was taken to find this out. Thank you.